Okay, so we're continuing our lesson 4, okay? Talking about understanding division. Okay, let's just go over some questions together on this particular page. It says explain. So Maddie used his array of stars to show the division problem 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Okay? 8 divided by 4 equals 2. What did she do wrong? Well, let me ask you, what does the first number mean?
The answer of the answer from multiplication.
Yes, if I did a multiplication problem, then it would go 4. 2 times 4 equals 8. Yes, that would be. But in a division sentence, what does that first number mean? Okay, means how many are total? So do we have eight stars right here?
No.
No. She actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 rows with 4 each. That's 32 stars. Okay. So when it says what did she do wrong, she put way too many stars in her groups. She only needed 8 of them. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need to divide them in how many groups?
4.
Yes, and I need to make groups of 4. Groups of 4. So here's one group of 4. Here's another group of 4. And how many groups? 2. Okay, 2. Okay. Or they might be asking you this. Okay, they want you to make 4 groups. And how many in each group? 2. That would actually be 8 divided by 2 equals 4. That gives me 4 groups. So do you see it says that Maddie's array shows, how many stars does this array show? 32. That would be 8 times 4. Okay. To show 8 divided by 4, the total number of stars should be how many? 8. So she only needed 8. That's all she needed. Just 8. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So I just needed to erase this. Now I could do 8 divided by 4 equals 2, right? Yeah. Says write a problem that could be solved using the division equation 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Okay. You could say something like, I have 16 slices of pizza, and I'm going to give it to 2 of my friends. Okay. How many slices can I give to each of my friends? That would be 8. Okay. So I'm just limited to that. But let's go and do 15. Now we're comparing Mitch's pears and David's. David and Mitch each bought a box of pears at the grocery store. Look at how each boy divided his pears into equal groups. Well, David has, how many groups does he have? He has this group right here. Then he has this one and this one. Okay. How many groups does Mitch have?
7.
So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's got 7. Okay, what is the same amount the 2 boxes of pears? What is the same about the 2 boxes of pears? What's the same about them? So Mitch has 7 groups, right? Mitch has 7 groups, okay? But David has how many in each group? 7. Okay, that's what it's about. This that's the only thing. Okay. Okay, what's different about the way the boys divided their pairs into groups? Well, David divided those into 3 groups, right? With 7 each. While Mitch divided them into 7 groups with how many in each one? 3. Okay, so it looks like Mitch has 7 times 3. That's 21. And David has 3 times 7 is 21. So they both have 21 pairs. They just wrote it differently. So probably use what you learned from the example. Okay. And look, you can use pictures, words, or numbers to explain how you got your answer. Well, let's see. It says Johnny's setting up chairs at tables for a party. The round tables have 6 chairs each. Okay. So the round tables, he's got round tables, and then he's got square tables, right? With 4 chairs each. Okay. It says the round tables will have 6 chairs each with 18 chairs altogether. So 6 chairs each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one table. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's another table. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many tables do you need here? 3. Okay. So here what do we have? Okay, 18. Yeah, divided by 6 equals 3. But here he's got the square tables will have 4 chairs each. 1, 2, 3, 4, with 20 in each one. So if I do another one here, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here I have 20 divided by 4 gives me how many tables? 5. Gives me 5 tables. Okay. Are there more round tables than square tables? No, they're not. How do I know that? Because based on my the division problem, I was able to get 3 round tables only. Okay, but with 20 chairs, with 4 in each group, I was able to come with 5 groups for my square table. So this is how they worked it out. Okay, it says that since the chairs at the round tables are in equal groups of 6, I can use division to find out how many rounds of tables there are. Which in this case, there were how many round tables? 3. I can divide the total number of chairs, which how many chairs did I have? 18. 18. Okay, by how many in each group to find out how many groups of to find out the number of groups. For the round tables, I needed to find 18 divided by 6, okay, which I know what 3 times 6 is 18. So in this case, how many groups would I need? I would need 3 round tables. Okay, 3 round tables. Okay. They checked my math by doing multiplication. And then I found 20 divided by 4. To find out how many square tables there are. I know that. So when I have 20 divided by 4, I want to know 4 times what gives me 20. Oh, I know what that is. 4 times 5. So there are 5 equal tables with 4 each. just like you have right here. Okay,